Hey guys, it's Kayla. Welcome back to my channel. Today I thought that I would film a makeup tutorial on this look. It's a last minute rave look. When is it not last minute? Kayla is always last minute, always on the go, always doing something. But I thought that it was fun. It's based off the color scheme of this bodysuit. So yeah, if you guys like this look, just stay tuned for the rest of the video. So I'm going to be using the Kathleen Light Zodiac palette. I did this makeup look at Hard Summer and I never took photos in it, so did it even happen? But this is the exact bodysuit that I was wearing, so I'm going to do the color scheme off of it again, and yeah, I really like the way it turned out, so I wanted to share it with you guys. It's like a all orange kind of like golden look, and I didn't think I was going to like it that much, but I really ended up loving it. I'm going to be using this brush right here just for my eyelids right now, and I'm going to be using the Taurus shade, this one right here. And I'm going to put that just as a base on my eyes. Oh god, there might be... I'm so glad you guys can't see like down here because nip slips are real. So after like the base is done, it's just like a simple brown. I'm going to start using the oranges. I'm going to be using the Aries, the shade right here, and I'm going to put that in my crease. And just like that, just to like darken it up, and then I'm going to go in with like this little liner brush, very small, and I'm going to be using the Aries again and just putting it through the bottom. I'm going to go back in with this one because I'm going to go back into my crease with Gemini, this gold shade right here. This one I'm only doing on the outer corners, just to really get some glitter in there. You guys can't tell because cameras are amazing, but I have a serious unibrow right now. Now I'm going to go in with this brush again, and I'm going to use it on my lids. I'm going to be using the shade Leo, which is this beautiful orange shade right here, right there. It's like a way lighter version of Aries. I'm going to put that on my lids. I'm gonna go back in with Aries, back onto my crease, make that a little darker again. And now using Cancer, which is this light shimmery shade right here, I'm just gonna blend like the top and the under of my eyebrow. Does that make sense? Yeah. Okay, so far we have this very like orangey vibe going on, but we do have more than just orange on here. And we have a palette that has all of these colors on here. And you know what we're gonna do, guys? Because we're wild here. I'm gonna take my liner brush and I'm gonna be using Pisces, which is this shade right here. And we're gonna go crazy. I'm gonna put that in my waterline. Also put it on top like eyeliner. Like that. Let me get you guys a little closer so you guys can see this. Look at that. Look at that. I'm just gonna keep you guys here. And then I'm gonna take the other end of this Anastasia brush, whatever the heck it's called. And I'm gonna put that in the inner corners of my eye. I'm gonna be using the shade Gemini again. This one right here, this gold shade. And I'm gonna put that in the inner corners of my eye. So now you have this orange vibe going on with some green right here. And I'm gonna define the green a little bit more just because I feel like it's just a little lacking for me. We have some green going on, we got some orange and yellows, we got this color scheme of this bodysuit all over my eyes. For me personally, I did not put on eyeliner when I did this look, just because I think it takes away from like the purpose of the green, but you can do whatever you want. This is your own spin on this look, is what you're gonna create. This is very like Greek-y. I like it. And that's probably all I would do for my eyes. This isn't like the craziest look. I wanted to create something easy, but like still fun for you guys to try, because this is a last minute video. This is going up probably the day of the festival, but early on. And then you obviously cannot have this look finished without glitter! Woo! I love putting glitter on. So I'm going to be using my good old trusty Gypsy Shrine glitter. And I'm just going to use the NYX glitter primer. We're going to use the blue glitter because it comes off kind of pink and that's the vibe I want to give you guys right now. And I'm just going to put it, let's try right here for now. So I'm just going to take the glitter primer, put it on my face with my finger, blend it down. I'm going to kind of make it like a highlight. And then I'm going to take my glitter on my finger and just start dabbing it on my face. Oh my god. Just like last time, guys, this is making me so excited. Just putting glitter on my face just does something to me. I don't know what it is. It's just like that. You know, I totally forgot to do my mascara. I typically would do my mascara before I did this step. So now I'm gonna do my mascara. I'm gonna use my eyelash curler. Not gonna do that on camera because that's creepy. I'm gonna put the Better Than Sex, you know how it is, that's my favorite. I do about like 2 to 3 coats at festivals just to make it extra thick. And I'm just gonna add some to the bottom lashes. We got that done. The eyes are done. Look at that. That looks pretty cool, guys, actually. I really like that. Okay, and then for my lips, I'm just gonna put Velvet Teddy. So this is the final look. It's just like glitter mania with some pop of eye color. This is typically something I would wear to a rave last minute, and it looks pretty well put together. The glitter saves your life, let me tell you. It's the glitter. But yeah, if you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more festival looks, give it a thumbs up. Give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button to keep updated with me, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!